Hello everyone, welcome back. If you have a problem with your Facebook app on your iPhone and iPad after the latest update of iOS, then do the following step to fix the issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection and refresh the internet connection. For that, we have to launch settings, then tap on Wi-Fi and turn off Wi-Fi. Wait for few seconds, then turn on back. We will do the same thing with mobile or cellular data. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then we have to launch settings again. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, we have to find and tap on Facebook app. After tap on Facebook, we have to tap offload app and tap again offload app to confirm. Now force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After the force restart, tap and hold the App Store, tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for Facebook. Then update the app or re-download the Facebook app. After that, what we have to do, the next solution is we have to go to settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. The final thing that we have to check the iOS update. Go to settings, general, tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. If none of these is not working, then tap and hold the Facebook app. Now tap remove app and tap delete app to confirm. After deleting the app, soft restart your iPhone and go back to App Store and re-download the application to enjoy the Facebook app. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.